my dear student. I hope all of you are safe and sound and taking good care of your health. Today I am your Shrima ma'am with one more new video and interesting topic. It is truly said, health is wealth. Please be a student, do take care of your health and keep yourself fit and healthy. Before I start with today's topic, I request everyone to pause this video and just go and bring your notebook and pen. Today's topic is specially for class 4th, or the topic multiplication. What is multiplication? Yes, I know you had obviously studied this topic in 3rd standard. But let us recall all those things what we had studied and just make something new from it. Multiplication, it is also known as repeatedly addition. Multiplication is also known as repeatedly addition. The short way of finding the sum when all the addends are the same is called multiplication. What it means? Addend, what is addend? When we add any two number, the two number is known as addend. Okay. See, can you see here 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2? How many times I had added 2? 5 times. Here this 2 is known as a addend. When the 2 is repeatedly added, instead of doing it repeatedly added, I could have done the multiplication. You have to mark here the two things. Same number, and if it is repeatedly added, we are doing multiplication as a shortcut trick. Okay. So, what it means? I had given you 2 apples how many times? 5 days. 2 apple Monday, 2 apple Tuesday, another 2 apple Wednesday, another 2 apple Thursday, next 2 apple Friday. Okay, so if I add all this thing, how many apples I got? 10 apples. But instead of writing this way, I can write it in this way also. 5 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 10. Okay, the 2 has been added 5 times. Here how many times I am adding 2? 5 times. Okay, so here it is written 5 times 2. The number which we are writing at the beginning is known as the number of time I am adding any particular number. Number of time I am adding any particular number, this 5, and this 2 is known as which number I am adding. So I am adding 2. I am adding 2 how many times? 5 times. That's why 5 will be front. 5 multiplied by 2. Now my dear student, I can read this as 5 times 2. Times means multiply. Some of them are writing 5 2. Correct. Here the 5 2 means also the same. 5 and 2. It also means the same. 5 multiplied by 2. These are the basic things which you must know. So multiplication is known as a repeated addition. We can read multiplication in this way also. 5 times 2, 4 times 7, 7 times 4, 3 times 6, 6 times 3, anything. Okay. Now, what is a multiplication? We do multiplication to find the product. Correct? To increase the number of, or to increase the value. Okay? Now here I am writing 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. Here this 10 is known as the product. What is the product? After multiplying any number, whatever the answer we are getting, it is known as product. This 5 and 2 is known as the factor. What is it known? It's known as the factor. The two number which we are multiplying is known as a factor. The first number is known as a multiplicand. The second number is known as a multiplier. And after multiplying these two numbers, whatever the answer it will get, it's known as a product. Whatever the answer we will get is known as the product. After multiplying any two number, whatever the answer is coming, you will say it as a product. The first number is known as a multiplicand and the second number is known as a multiplier. Number line. How to calculate multiplication on number line? It's very easy. You know of the frog jump which we used to play in the school, which during the time of sports day? Yes, same thing. 5 multiplied with 2. The front number say explain about how many times we have to jump. So here see we are jumping how many times? 5 times. Okay, then this 2 is a gap of which two number? So 0 to 2, 1 jump, 2 to 4, 2 jump, 4 to 6, 3 jump, 6 to 8, 4 jump, and 8 to 10 5 jump. Okay, so see, at last I reached here. 5 multiplied by 2, it's 10. Next, as we also have our behavior and characteristic, multiplication have certain properties. First property, order property of multiplication. Second property, grouping or associative property of multiplication. Third property is property of 0 in multiplication. Fourth one is property of 1 in multiplication. And fifth one is multiplication distributed over addition. See, in this property of 0 and property of 1 is very simple, which you had already learned, but you don't know this. These are known as the properties of multiplication and they have certain use. Okay, the first table which you had learned in your junior KG or senior KG is that table of 0. So if any number multiply by 0, it will give you 0 itself. 0 multiply by 10 lakh, it will give you 0. 0 multiply by crore, it will give you 0. 0 multiply by 10, it will give you 0. If 10 multiply by 0, it will give you 0. Correct? The second table which we had learned, that is multiplication of 1. Any number multiply by 1 or any number multiply with 1, it's always give the number itself. 9 multiply by 1, it will give you 9. 145 multiply by 1, it will give you 145. Okay, then it's the turn of our order property. What is the order property? Order property says that if you change the order of the number, for example, like 5 multiplied by 3, here it is coming 15. But instead of that, if you are writing 3 multiplied by 5, then also it is okay. That will also give you the same. 3 multiplied by 5, 15. 5 multiplied by 3, 15. See, first here I wrote the 5 front and here I wrote the 3 front. Okay. Next property is grouping property. You can see, if it make the group, then also the product is going to remain the same. 7 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 and 7 multiply 2 multiplied by 3. 2 multiplied by 3, 6. 6 multiplied by 7, 42. 7 2s are 14. 14 multiplied by 3, 42. See, I had already changed in the group, but then also the answer remains same. In a grouping multiplication factor, the product does not change. If the grouping of the factor is changed, the product does not change. You can change the group. You can change the group, but the product will never be changed. Okay. Then multiplication distributed over addition. What do you have to do? You have to just distribute. Here I have to show you one example. 15 multiplied by 14. How you can distribute this 14? By writing 10 plus 4. Okay? By writing 10 plus 4 and putting them inside the bracket. So here also I did that way. You have to break this number. Any one number you can break. Either you can break 14 or 5. The answer will come same. So 14 I had break into 10 plus 4. Then this 5 is multiplied by 10 and this 5 is multiplied by 4. You can see in the next step, 5 multiplied by 10 plus 5 multiplied by 4. 5 multiplied by 10, 50 and 5 multiplied by 4, 20. If I add these two numbers, it will be coming 70. Now we are going to learn a basic multiplications, very basic, correct, shortcut trick. If you have to multiply any bigger number with 100, thousands and lakh, 10 lakh, crore, million, whatever, it's very easy. What do you have to do? Suppose 4, 1, 2, 3, I have to multiply by 100. Right? 4, 1, 2, 3 multiply with 1. This 1 can you say? With 1. So you have to write here 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then how many zeros are there at the back of 100? There are 2 zeros. Write these 2 zeros over here. Then the next number is 348 multiplied by 10,000. 348 multiplied by 1, it will give you 348. Then at the back side 40. Okay. Same way we can do the shortcut trick for this number also. For example, 545 multiplied by 20. So what you will do? You will multiply 2 by 545. 5 2 is 10, 0, 1 carry over. 5 2 is 8, 1 9. 5 2 is 10. Okay. Here at the back of 2 there is 1 0 left. You can write that 0. You have to write that 0 at the end. Okay, here is a few questions related to the topic what we had studied. I want you to just do practice. Pause the video, write the question and practice it, because as much as you practice in maths, you get masters with the certain topics. Okay, now the next topic is multiplying by one digit multiplier. One digit multiplier. Okay, so the down one is known as a multiplier, the upper one is known as multiplicand, and the answer what we are getting, product. This one thing I don't have to explain why I think so, you will able to do, but then also I will explain. I had written this number multiplying by 3. I had written this 3 multiplied by 4, 12, 2, 1 over here, 3 ones are 3 plus 4, 3 sevens are 21, 1, 2 over here, 3 eights are 24 plus 25, 26. It is, isn't it easy? Now the next topic we are saying, that is multiplying by a 2-digit multiplier. What I did, I just wrote the number. First I took C. I tried to multiply with all these things. 6 zeros is 0, 6 nines are 54, 4 here, 5 here. 6 2s are 12, 12 5s are 12 5s are 17. Okay. Now see, this number is over. Can I put even 0 over here and cut this? Then 5 zeros is 0, 5 nines are 45, 5 here, 4 over here, 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 14. And now you can add this. 0, 4, 7 plus 5, 12, 2, 1 carry over there, 4, 5, 6 and 1. Okay, I am talking about this one. This was the 2-digit multiplication. Now the next one is 3-digit. As you did 1, 2, now it is a 3. Write the number. First you multiply 3 with all these 3 number. Okay, then 0 with all these 3 number, then 6. So 3 7s are 21, 1, 2 over here, 3 5s are 15, 16 17 7, 1 over here, 3 8s are 24 and 25. Okay, 3's work is done, 3 is gone. Here we will write x. 0 multiplied by any number, it gives 0. 0 multiplied by 7, it will give you 0. 0 multiplied by 5, it will give you 0. 0 multiplied by 8, it will give you 0. Then put multiplication sign. 2 6 7s are 42, 2 4 over here, 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 4 34, 4 over here and 3 will go here, 6 8s are 48, 49, 50, 51, 51 over here. Now we will add all these things, we will get the answer. Next topic is word problems of multiplication. When the information about one thing is given and we have to find about many, is we do multiply. In word problem, just believe me, answers are always there in question. You read the question again and again, you immediately get the answer. So how to find whether this is a sum of multiplication? What you have to do, just read the question, and if you find the information about one is given and you are going to ask about the same information about the one thing is given and you are asking about the same thing for many times, then what do you do? Multiplication. Correct? For example, I had given you one pen of 5 rupees. One pen one pen 5 rupees. So 10 pen how much? 10 multiplied by 5, 50. 1 pen how much? 5. 10 pen, I don't know. So what you will do? You will multiply 10 multiplied by 5, 15. Shrisha's monthly income is 17,546. What is the annual income? Okay, Shrisha. Income means the money which we get from job. Okay, whatever the job we do, whatever the earning we do, that is known as the income. So Shrisha, she is getting 17,545 annually for 12 months. If 1 year is equal to 12 months, okay, in 1 month she is getting this much, then in 12 months how much she will get? 12 multiplied with this, you will get the answer. If the information about 1 is given, you have to find about many. Here the information about 1 month is given and you have to find the information about many. 12 months is equal to 1 year. 1 year is equal to 2. 1 year is equal to 12 months. Okay. Next question, to provide electricity to small villages, its state government plans to extend the wires till the village with the help of 138 electric poles at a distance of 1 kilometer each. How many poles will be needed if the village is 418 kilometers away? Okay, what you have to do? You have to calculate the number of electric poles, that is 138. Okay, then total distance of the village, that is 418 kilometer. Okay, so they are putting a what we say, electric pole or the street pole. At 1 kilometer distance they are putting one. Okay, so for each 1 kilometer they are putting one. So for 138 they are putting electric. Okay, then for 15 here it is given 418 kilometer, 418 kilometer equal to how much? So 418 multiply by 38. If you multiply, you will get the answer, as you know. See, here I have kept it blank. It doesn't mean that I don't know. You can put it here 0 also or cross also. You can keep it 0 or cross. Estimations 48 and 52. 48 ka round off, what will give 50, and 52 round off, it will give me 50. Now we can use a shortcut trick. 5 multiplied 5, 20, 1 0 back of it, I had written, another 0 back of it, I had written. Estimation is totally similar like addition and subtraction estimation. Now here is a home assignment for you. I hope you understood the video. If didn't, please rewatch it and try to solve all the questions. Till that much time, take care, be safe and be sound. Thank you.